Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another video. This will be 12th generation i5 build, and this is pretty much a future-proof build on a budget segment. So if you have less budget, you're planning to put a GPU in future, for now you want to build a PC where you can work, so this is gonna be an interesting video for you. The total price for the PC is 45,000 rupees. That includes a latest generation, which is Intel 12th generation processor. So I'll be taking you through all the component, all the product link I mentioned in the description box below. You can go ahead and check the latest prices. So let's begin with the PC parts which we're going to use in this build. For the processor, we have got 12th generation Intel. This is i5 12400. For the motherboard, we are going with B660 series. So this is Gigabyte B660M DS3 HAX, has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi both, and not H610 motherboard for budget build, because again we want to make it a bit future proof. We are also adding a cooler. This cooler costs around 1500 rupees. It's always recommended to spend a bit more on cooler. The stock cooler is not so much reliable in my opinion, so this is what we're gonna use in this build. For RAM, we are going with single stick 3600 MHz. This is 8x1 rip jaws. For SSD, we have got SN570. This is 250 GB NVMe SSD. For the power supply, we are going with MSI 550 bronze, and as we will be doing great in the future for the GPU, so this is what we have. For the case, we are going with NX230, as this is a decent case, around 2500 rupees, has got side acrylic, has got 3 USB on the top and a bit of RGB here, comes with single fan. So cabinet is all up to your choice, whatever you like. So this is what we have for the cabinet. So the entire cost for the PC is around 44,000 some odd, and yeah, that's about it. So let's just go ahead and begin the PC build.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me
Alright, so we're done with the PC build. It is performing quite well. The temps are okay with the help of this cooler. There is no graphic card, so not much of testing here required. Once there would be a graphic card installed, it will be able to play a lot of games, as i5 is capable of a very good performance, the 12400F and 12400. We are going with 12400 because the F version requires a dedicated graphic card. This one doesn't require, and the customer can put a graphic card later in future when he need it. So yeah, let's end the video here. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye, and I'll see you in the next video. All the product link are mentioned in the description box below. Do check them out for the latest price. Thank you. Bye bye.